GD Cap 26 here, just do the chips and repairs, and what I got here is just some basic cleaner, Windex cleaner, original. Original will not harm your airbrush at all, opposed to using a thinner, a lacquer thinner, or something from Home Depot. You can mix this with a little bit of water and Windex Original, and I have it in this bottle here, and
Not just water, it's distilled water.
when I used to buy cleaner myself. So you don't really have to make it. Just get a whole bottle of cleaner. I have some down here. You got the Windex Original. It's backwards, of course, because the way the camera is. But it says Original. And that's what you want to use in your airbrush to clean it all the time with acrylics. I don't normally use enamels in my airbrush. If I do, I use a junk airbrush for enamels. In a good airbrush, you don't want to use enamels in it, because after a while you do have to clean that out with a thinner, and after a while your seals will go, and you have to replace the airbrush sooner than later. So stick to the acrylics. They're water based, and Windex Original.
Not just water, it's distilled water.
Will clean your airbrush out nicely. And it's really not a very hard thing to do. I have another product over here. I have, this is a thinner. And
Not just water, it's distilled water.
About that much water to that line. I added about 15 drops of glycerin that you can buy at the drugstore, like at Walmart. And you can make your own paint thinner instead of buying it. I do not add any alcohol to this. I don't add any peroxide or any of those other things. It's just glycerin, 15 drops of glycerin, and about that much water, which is about maybe, I would say about an ounce of water. So you can get one of these bottles at Walmart. It's a ketchup bottle, actually, if you're mixing a lot of paint. So I want to show you those tips and just some talk about modeling, so to speak. I'm sorry you can't see me in just my hands, but that's the way the tripod is. I did get my new tripod today, and I'm testing out on you folks. I hope you're having a good day today, and we'll be seeing you in the next video. Please rate and subscribe and ring the little bell to the right for notifications, and we'll see you. Thanks for watching.